to lots of ladies, feet are something that they want to hide, and especially if there's like even small kind of problems and they feel kind of embarrassed about it. And we've also had instances kind of like in a pop-up shop, and we have this amazing sort of foot scanner there, and then they even feel shy from taking their feet out to do a scan when they didn't have a pedicure done. And so have you seen any of your clients like that, and feel quite, I don't know, embarrassed about some of these problems, and what would be your advice in terms of ladies like these?
So both men and women come in with feet that they're a little bit embarrassed about. And obviously, I understand why. Sometimes they haven't shown their feet to their partners, or they've been married and their husband hasn't seen their feet, or they're just really embarrassed about taking their shoes off at somebody's house, or wearing flip-flops in the summer. And I think the best thing is, if you have any kind of foot issues that you're embarrassed about, is really to see a podiatrist, or even have a nice pedicure. Because a pedicure, they can do wonderful things. They can superficially cut your nails, they can paint it, hide things, and then they can do a basic kind of pedicure where they take off the skin. And sometimes after that, it's a really kind of brilliant effect, where it's like before and after, it's like, oh, this is quite nice and clean. And with nail polish, you can really cover any ugly nails and things like that. But if you've got really painful feet, or really, really embarrassed long-term issues like a fungal nail infection, or like really severe cracks heels, or really thick dead skin, then really you should see a podiatrist, because the infection can spread and it can make you very sick. The hard skin can build up and it can be very, very painful. And this is not just in older population. You can get it when you're young, you can get it in your working age. So taking care of your feet is the best way of almost preventing any embarrassing moments, because you're taking good care of it, and then hopefully you have the confidence to show off your feet. So definitely have a pedicure, or you can do some home care, scrubbing it with a foot file, putting cream on your feet. That really, really helps. Or see a podiatrist.
Yeah, I mean, like, it sounds like, a lot of people like that. It's like a chicken egg situation, isn't it? Like, the more you embarrass about the problem, the longer you delay from getting the treatment, the worse it gets, and then the more embarrassed that you kind of feel like. And so we would really encourage all the ladies out there, if you do feel like, there's any problem at all, small or big, then like don't delay seeing podiatrists like Marion, and she's amazing. Right, and so we think all feet are beautiful, and I think it's part of the nature in our ladies, and we always kind of pick out flaws. Even if like you have amazing sort of body and hair, there's always something that like you can pick out that's not perfect. And so I think like it's very important that we can all sort of like work on ourselves to kind of get over that insecurity, I'd say. Like, and once you kind of show off that confidence, that would automatically translate into your perception to other people, then you would seem much more beautiful. So moving on to the next question. And so how did you secure all that amazing sort of press coverage?
I have no clue. I don't have an agent, so if anybody wants to be my agent, I'm free. I'm very, very lucky, I think. I think you need to be open to opportunities, and I've always have myself open for many, many opportunities. Even if I need to go into work like on a Sunday or a Saturday when we're really not open, if somebody emails me, gives me a call, and they say, do you want to do this? I always say yes. And then obviously once somebody knows that you're willing to do things like go on TV, go on radio, submit your videos online, then they keep on coming and coming and coming. And then sometimes it's a little bit of luck. Obviously, there's loads of podiatrists, amazing podiatrists, amazing medical profession, but sometimes it's just very, very, I'm a very, very lucky person, to be honest, throughout my whole career. And I just don't know. It just happened one thing over the other, and then I got invited on The Doctor, which is an Emmy award-winning show. I've been on IGTV, and I have a documentary coming out with me and Dr. Kenny, which everybody, if you're on YouTube, knows about Dr. Kenny because I always make fun of him, and he does a bit of treatment. So we have a documentary coming out on Bark, or now it's called Truly, about me treating a couple of patients, and it's really funny. When is that? I'll tell you. But it's just take every opportunity that you have, and good things will come to you.
Yeah. Oh wow, that's amazing. Would you mind sharing us a little bit more about your ITV was that interview, and what was it like?
So the ITD thing was kind of good health save money. It spent the whole day. We were late actually. We were late to getting there. Well, if you take the tube, it's actually quite quick. But we didn't actually we were late. And we filmed about a couple of hours about products that are equivalent to expensive food products and how you could save money. And then, so that was me just talking about kind of products and things like that. The Emmy Award winning show was about an ingrown toenail video that I posted up online, and the people thought it was really gross, but I thought that was just standard, it's not really gross. And then I got to talk about that, and I was on another TV show for Channel 5 Star where I just pull people's nails out. This person was really embarrassed about her feet, and then I was just pulling her nails, and she kind of vomited. It wasn't my fault. She's just sensitive.
Oh my god.
Yeah, many opportunities, many opportunities. And like I said, then it was the documentary in regards to Miss Foot Fixer. So that's my YouTube name, Miss Foot Fixer, and it's like I said, a documentary about that. I think it's coming out in a couple of weeks' time.
Yeah, oh, we look forward to it.